Exciting time here at Hodges Pond. This is really the start, the beginning of the community input into this site. This is over the next few years, we're going to have thousands of students, local classes, community groups and partners out here on site planting trees, helping us with the trail development, also some of the snake and turtle habitat and bird habitat structures, in-stream work. It's really exciting part. Hopefully in the next year or so we're going to be able to start opening up the first phases of trails so that we can allow the public back in here. It's a really inspiring place to bring students. I can't wait till the general public can come in here and enjoy the spot too.
I think this is a very important experience for the kids. They can see how their actions have an impact on our future and how they will be able to come back in the future and see what they have done, and maybe even tell their own kids that they helped plant these trees and make this space as beautiful as it is.
All of them come up and ask what type of tree they're planting. So yeah, they're really excited and they're having a great morning.
Awesome. You got some folks right here now.
Yeah, here you go. Okay, these are oak trees. There you go. The whole thing goes right in there, okay?
Okay, thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
In the future, we vision this area as a place to come and connect with nature. There will be walking trails for biking and just to enjoy the peace and beauty scenery.
It was fun, and I love how many animals and insects are here, even though they scare me. It's fun to pick up snails and toads.
It's really the partnership that's making this project happen out here. Really local partnerships too. The wind farm that's just behind us here at a neighbor to Hodges Pond, that is a project of the Oxford Community Energy Cooperative. They've made a really sizable, like about $100,000 commitment over 5 years out here. It's not just the cash. Their members of that group are also come out for tours. Tomorrow's we're having a community day, and members of that group are going to come out and plant trees, and all throughout the project their members are going to be involved out here in addition to supporting the work that the local students are going to be working on.